Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 guide, and here I'll detail how to get back dated freeform app in iPhone iOS 18. So if you just upgrade to latest iOS 18 and you mistakenly delete the freeform application on your iPhone and now you couldn't know how to get it back, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to get back the freeform application on your iPhone iOS 18 after deleting it, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the App Store on your iPhone. Now once you open the App Store on your iPhone, click on the spotlight search at the bottom right here and then search for freeform. So let's say you are new to this, so let me show you exactly how to do this. Just click on this spotlight search and then search for freeform. Click on it, then wait for this to load. Then you'll see the freeform pops like this, which is under productivity category. Then go ahead and click on this cloud icon. Once you hit the cloud icon, you see the freeform application trying to download and install on your iPhone. So the time it takes to download and install on your iPhone depends on the strength of your internet connection. And then after that, you want to wait until the freeform application is downloaded. And once it's downloaded, you can just go ahead and then open it. So that is basically how to get back the freeform application on iPhone after deleting it on iOS 18. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.